If you want to teach online, you need to create an introductory video for yourself that will be uploaded on your profile. This introductory video normally should range from around 40 seconds to 60 seconds, and in that video you need to be super engaging for your students or your audience. You need to talk very specifically and mentioning all the points that you want to tell about yourself, and you need to be specific, you need to be professional, you need to be informational, correct, and all these things you need to say in a very short time. So in this video today, I'm going to tell you how you can create your introductory video which you can put on your tutor profile. Hello, my name is Stan and you are watching the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Let's start the video. Welcome back. So if you are an online tutor or you want to become an online tutor, you need to create an introductory video for yourself. Now this video has to be very specific, it has to be correct, it has to be put forward in a professional way, and all this in a very short time, so that your student or your audience does not need a long time to go through your profile to understand what you have to offer. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how exactly you are going to construct that introductory video and what are the different points that you should be talking about and how you're going to deliver in that short span of time. So watch this video till the end. If you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe because I create these kind of videos very regularly. So we're going to talk about the various aspects of an introductory video, how you're going to present yourself in 60 or less than 60 seconds. Okay, so the first thing that you can start with is your name. Most important thing, start with your name, like hello, I'm Tanmoy. Next, you can tell them who you are, what you do and where you are from, like I am a language teacher with over 20 years of experience from Agartala, Tripura. Everyone wants to know a story. Now here is your point, or here is your time to tell the story of yourself to your audience. When I was a kid, I was asked in school what I want to become when I grew up. I told them I wanted to become a teacher, and here I am. Teaching is my passion and I'm happy that I'm able to do what I love to do. Next, you can tell them why you are here. I am here to teach you Bengali, which is my mother tongue and one of the sweetest languages of the world. Apart from Bengali, I am also an expert in English and Hindi languages. Next in your video, you can explain your teaching system, how you teach, what are the different materials that you use, what is the approach to your kind of teaching, so that they know what to expect in their lessons. I teach people from all age groups in a very polite and friendly way. I do a lot of conversations, translations and role plays to enhance your learning experience. The last thing in your introductory video should be a call to action. A call to action is something which tells that audience or that viewer to do something after they have watched that video. A normal call to action for this kind of video would be like, if you are willing to learn Bengali from an expert native speaker, book a lesson now and let's get started. I'm eager to talk to you very soon. So that was a call to action. That actually completes the entire video that you are going to create for your online tutoring profile. Now one important thing is that always end the video with a very big smile on your face. It is very important because that is the last impression that will be there in their minds for a long time. So end it with a smile. Now you can actually script the entire thing or you can go impromptu, but then I would suggest if you are someone new to video making or someone new to do this kind of creations or creative things in front of the camera, it will be better if you script it out. Normally for a 60-second video, the number of words that you would have is around 150 to 180 based on the pace with which you speak. Okay, so if you're someone who speaks very fast, then the number of words may be more, or if you're someone who speaks very slowly, then the number of words will be much lesser. Okay, so normally around 150 to 180, keep that many words in your script, and then you practice a lot before you actually sit in front of the camera. Now if you're someone who has never sat in front of the camera and has not done any video calling or any kind of recording, then probably you can even switch on your camera in your phone camera and you can practice it in front of the camera itself. Then it will become much better. So that's all I have in this video. If you're going to create an introductory video for your tutor profile, the following things you need to have on your video. Let's have a quick recap. First, you can start with telling your name, then you can tell who you are and what you do normally, and then add a background story to it, how you have grown or why you have chosen this particular thing that you are doing. Then you can say why you are here, like what you are going to offer. Okay, then you can talk about your teaching system. Teaching system is nothing but what exactly you are going to follow in your lessons. Okay, and you can end it with a call to action. In your call to action, you are going to ask your student or the viewer to book a lesson with you. Okay, and as I said, end it with a large smile on your face, right? So that's how you create your 1 minute or 60 seconds introductory video. This video is very much important and a mandatory thing for Preply. If you are also teaching on some other platform, there also you'll need your video. So the video is very important. This information that I'm sharing in this video is going to be very useful because it is something which is very much common on all platforms across this online teaching domain. Okay, so you need to have your introductory video for any platform that you teach on. I hope you like this information that I've shared with you. If you like it, please give me a like and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Also, if you have any questions regarding online tutoring or creating these videos or creating the description of your profile, please ask in the comment section below. I read all your comments, I reply to all your comments without fail, right? So please feel free to ask. And if you are new here, you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe because I create this kind of videos very regularly. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.